So, good morning, good afternoon, or whenever this is going to air. Because I got an email from the Raw and Ready show, the R&R Show, asking me, the Sexy Saiyan Eric Jaden, what's going on with the war between BWF and LAW, Legendary Action Wrestling. Well, boys, let's just cut to the chase. We're winning the war. Oh yeah, we're winning the war. Last event, LAW decided to show up in the Bronx once again. And you know what? I'm not all talk. And you guys found out that. Frankie Flo, I cracked you right side your head with a steel chair. Dan the Man, I cracked you right side of the head with your heavyweight title. And my only, and I feel really bad about this, the only thing I feel bad about is that I didn't put you guys in the hospital. That I didn't do. But, well, don't worry. There's time for that. There's plenty of time for that. Because the war is going to come to a head in September. We will end this. And BWF will be on top. So, does that answer your question? Relax and ready, or Raw and Ready, or whatever the hell the TV show is called? Let me get back to eating my breakfast. No more media.